In this activity, I worked on task scheduling and automation using a real-time clock (RTC) module with an Arduino. The goal was to create a system that helps automate daily tasks for Grandpa, such as reminding him to take medicine, bathe, and have dinner. This was accomplished by assembling a circuit that included a DS1302 RTC module, a 16x2 LCD with an I2C adapter, a servo motor, a buzzer, and an LED. To begin, I connected the DS1302 RTC module to the Arduino. The VCC and GND pins of the RTC were connected to the 5V and GND pins on the Arduino. The CLK, DAT, and RST pins were connected to digital pins 6, 7, and 8, respectively. The LCD was connected using an I2C interface, with the SDA and SCL pins connected to analog pins A4 and A5. For the servo motor, I connected the signal wire to pin 10, while the buzzer and LED were connected to pins 9 and 13. I also used a 220 ohms resistor to protect the LED. After assembling the circuit, I wrote the Arduino code. I used the DS1302 library to read and set the current time from the RTC module. The liquid crystal _I2C library allowed me to display the date and time on the LCD screen, while the servo library controlled the servo motor's movement. The code was structured to check the time continuously and execute specific tasks at set times. For example, at 5 p.m., the system displayed "Take Medicine" on the LCD, turned on the LED, and sounded the buzzer for 1 second to remind Grandpa to take his medicine. At 5:01 p.m., the system displayed \time to bathe \ on the LCD, opened the shower room door by rotating the servo motor to 90 degrees, and again sounded the buzzer. Finally, at 5:02 p.m., the system displayed dinner time, closed the shower door by resetting the servo to 0 degrees, turned on the LED, and sounded the buzzer. During testing, I initially faced some problems with time formatting and RTC initialization, which caused the scheduled tasks to fail. I resolved this by properly configuring the RTC, using RTC.halt false and RTC.write_protect false. I also adjusted the LCD display logic to ensure the time and task messages appeared correctly. After fixing these issues, the system worked as intended, with the LED lighting up, the buzzer sounding, and the servo motor moving at the scheduled times. This project demonstrated how RTC modules can be used in real life applications such as elderly care and home automation.